Alright, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remain myself the great Johnsonkeyz. Okay, so today we're going to look at a very nice chord progression, that's flat 5, 7, 3, 6, that comes in most songs. But we're going to look, be doing this song that you feel but we are not doing that part because that's a different progression. We are doing this part. Oh, there is no, you remember this part? Higher call holy, no great it's actually a very serious thing to sing and play together. I mean, but so I won't be doing that. So let's just go. So that part that goes on, there is no higher calling, no greater honor than to bow. So that part, so it goes starts from your 4, then flat 5, 7, 3. So let me show you the chord progressions, chord voices at that part. And if I can think of any other song again, we're gonna just do that also. So from most times it starts from your 4. You could actually do there is no. You could do I have gone in da 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 da. So you can actually delay on the 4. You can do 4, then you do a 5 on 4, then you go to 3. Da, 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 da. That's another case, but today we're going to be doing 4, then flat 5, 7. So what am I playing? My 4, I'm in the key of C, right? All white keys. So 4. On the left hand I have a 4, 1, 4. On the right I have a 6, 1, 3, 6. Then higher, ka. So today this is what the Spirit is leading us to do. To play this chord, G flat in this case now, right? And then with B flat. This is a stretch for some people. If you can pick it, if you can't pick it, just hold the root. You'll be fine. But if you can pick it, why not? Add it. G flat and B flat on the left. So on the right you have a minor inversion. This is the second inversion, right? Yeah, second inversion. That's a E, A, C. So we have a right then. So this is the flat 5. The 7 chord sounds goes like this. We have a B, F sharp, and A on the left. On the right, we have we are trying to go with the melody at this part. So we have a E flat and what's it called? And B. You can actually add the G flat too. It sounds fuller that way. But I'm already doing holding that on the left hand, so in order not to be repeating stuff, right? So then your 3 on the knobs I'll do something like this. But for this song it doesn't really go because the melody line still goes right. So if you are doing flatting this, flatting 7 guy on the 3, it might sound somehow. It goes, but then if you just meet people who are really, you know, they might just tell you, oh, no, there's something sounding not too sounding well. So for the sake of the melody, not always all the time, but sometimes for the sake of the melody, so we can just do a normal 5 chord, right? So we have the second inversion of G major. So we have okay, the right, of course, 3. You can do 3 and 2. 3 here, your 2 here. That's a E, and the 9th, that's a D. Then on your right you have a D, G, B. So for your 6 chord, you do something like this. You have a E, and C. So you do. So your right hand is doing this. I'm trying to follow the melody line of the song. That's why I'm playing like this. So so you're doing D, G, A, D, right? Like this. Then so you can actually do this also. When you do this chord, guy, add B here. Then when you go to the next chord, so you're doing all this on 6. So there is no calling. So flat 5, 7, 3, 6, then 2, 4, 5. Then you have a 6, 2, 5, 1. So let me show you the 6, 2, 5, 1 very fast. I've done that before on this channel. We have a 6. We have a 6, which is on the left hand we have a A. On the right hand we have a C major 7, the second inversion, right? So that's a G, B, C, and E. This chord always sounds like it takes you to the spirit, into the spirit realm, right? If you also have the spirit as a player, that's a clause. All right, so 6, then 2. So on 2 you have a D, of course that's your root. Then on the right you have a F sharp, C, and E, right? You can add this B flat if you want to really kill it. Right? That's food for thought. Then 5. So on the 5 you have a G. That's your root. Of course on the right hand you have a F, A, B flat, and G. Then your 1. So you just have a C on the left. Then this is a C9, right? When I say C9, that's C dominant 9. If I want to say C major 9, then I'll call it in full C major 9. If I say C9, that's C dominant 9. Right? So on the right you have a E, B flat, and G. Then to your 4. So there is no. Don't forget. The connector. If I were you, I might do flat 7, 2, 5, 5, just to end the whole thing. Yeah, God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye.